But let's go back up in the truck, turn on the monitor, and see if they're connected. And then we'll have to adjust it to see what we can see. So let's go check this thing out in the truck side of it. All right, guys, so we got it all hooked up and we have no signal inside the truck. So I think that the camera port probably doesn't have power without the trailer being plugged into the truck. So let's go plug in the trailer to the truck and see what that does for us. All right, it's plugged in, no signal. Let's turn on the headlights, see if that gives it power. Haha, so there's the trick. You have to turn on the power, or you have to be plugged in and have your headlights turned on. All right, guys, so there it is. It's all hooked up. It's on my mounted system right now. I don't know if I really like this location. Kind of blocks some of my screen. It doesn't block my view at all, so that's good. But that's probably not gonna be its permanent home. I still gotta find a way to get my GPS and everything to work too, so we'll show you the final product once we get it figured out. All right, guys, I think we got it figured out. We got the Haloview here. We got my phone in the middle and then the GPS on the far side. So it's not blocking my view, which is good. So it's down below the dash. So I think that's gonna be the sweet spot for it. So we'll do a little drive test with it and see how it works. So we had the opportunity to use this camera on our last trip up to Michigan. And I'll tell you what, I was really impressed. I've never had a backup camera on a trailer before, and I never really thought I needed one. But it made a huge difference just changing lanes in traffic, and just being able to see when you back up into your campsite changes a lot for you. So we strongly recommend this product. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next one.